Mary, I need help. I have a big problem with Git.
What happened?
I tried to merge my branch into main. Now I have conflicts everywhere.
Oh no. How many files?
5 files. I don't know which code is correct.
Okay, don't panic. Open VS Code. Let's look at the conflicts together.
Here, look at this file. It has my code and your code at the same time.
I see. The green part is your code. The blue part is mine.
Which one do we keep?
We keep both. Your function handles the login. My function handles the logout.
Oh, they are different. I didn't see that.
That's okay. It happens to everyone. Now click Accept Both Changes.
Done. What about the other files?
Let's check them one by one. It's faster that way.
This one looks easy. Only one line is different.
Good. Keep the new line. It has the bug fix.
Perfect. All conflicts are resolved now.
Great. Now commit the changes and push to main.
Done. Thank you, Mary. You saved my day.
No problem. Next time, pull from main before you start coding.
I will remember that.